Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notifications on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on view profile, then tap on this button again and tap on my preferences, then click on notifications. Here you can select when would you like to be emailed, such as when a page or a file on your watch list is changed, for minor edits of pages and files, so tap on the relevant buttons. Or you can also disable all emails from Fandom by tapping on this button down below, and when you are done, click on the save button to save these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.